Nalupat na.
What is that? Car. You know what is that? Is that a car?
That line.
Okay, maybe it's too hot for food. What about a carrot ice lolly? Okay, it may be hot, but I can still have my hand.
Wow. Anda-anda eh.
Unbelievable. Even in this heat, he's still showing off.
Are you scared?
Whoa! He missed right out the lake. The animals are in trouble.
Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Okay, ha, anak ha. Ito kasi yung reaction.
Whoa. Wow. Kasi tanay.
What is this?
One, my baby turn.
Hey, big bite daddy.
Wow.
Wow, the battery. Wait lang, ha? Careful.
Di pa yun eh.
Wait lang, wapat higit. Sa likod lang.
Ay, assemble na ito. Video lang ko.
Wow!
Ang saan pa gawa?
Ayun, lang sila.
Wow, look at that.
Saan sa higit daddy?
Wait, sa.
I'm letting go. Deal.
Careful! Ha? Ha? Ano sa shade daw? Look, oh! Di pa doon ba?
Wow.
Yantas. Here's the yantas. Here's the ligid. So we put the yantas.
Kakul eh.
How to do it?
We need to think fast.
Wait!
The animals are in danger.
Oh! Pero, kunti. Ganda.
That is first before the yantas.
Ah, why?
Pang-pang.
Cover man.
Here na daw. Install the power supply.
Happy ka, Lloyd? Happy mo na eh.
I'm on it. Here's my boy.
Oh, you drive.
No problem.
See.
A few moments later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
Di suga di.
Ay, sige, kami mag-wait na. Okay, go there. Sit down na. Okay, sit down, sit down na. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Okay, close the door.
Close the door.
Close the door. There.
Down
that's
at the
it.
door. Yay!
Close, close.
Daddy, use the remote.
Okay. And then, press down there. Look there. Press there. Come on. Press down. Press down.
Put in the vehicle. Okay.
No, it's okay. Do not put it. No, don't turn it. Like that.
Wow, yay!
Slide and go up. You get the slide and go out. No, look at that. Power. The light is flat. The phone is dead.
Forward.
Okay, okay. Hey, drive. One more way.